Get this stupid wrench over there.
Why are you grumpy?
Because this sucks.
It's good. We're building trucks, Peyton.
Yeah, but this isn't the fun part about building trucks.
What part is the fun part?
Stomping all the other stuff.
Stomping our foot to the floor and spinning out.
Yeah.
Peyton and Alicia have ground the frame down to bare metal. Almost the whole thing. It's looking real good. We're down to the parts that suck on the inside of the frame, where it's hard to reach. Got anything to say about that?
Don't focus on me. I'm so filthy and nasty right now.
Oh.
That's what I said about that.
Sheesh, punch me out. Why you look so grumpy?
Because I is.
Why?
Because.
What you working on?
Trying to do all of the things.
Hi. Did you know I beat the girls in a running contest? I pushed so they were so far ahead of me.
Update on the frame. We've
I
got
ran so fast.
a whole lot of it primed.
And I actually passed them.
We're getting there. Leaf springs.
No.
Hi, Jackson. Peyton's friend's helping us. Making progress. Just finishing up this. Gonna paint that soon. What are we doing? Just getting high in the garage. Look how bad my hand's shaking. Hang on, everybody. I'm high. Oh, you're doing it. You're so good at filming.
I know.
You're much less shaky than I was.
I'm still shaky. The whip stabilizer's like, but.
Stabilize, video, engage. It's hot,
Yeah.
and it's high in here.
Yeah.
Very high.
We're quite high in altitude, anyways.
Turns out there's a reason you have to be 18 or older to buy this stuff. It's Sunday, and I've got a lot of clips just to throw together real quick. But I thought I'd give you an update. We kind of stalled out on painting because you can't go off of the caps. You can't go off the cap color of spray paint, because even though those both look like nice flat black, until after the fact, I didn't realize that actually right here above the barcode, that one's flat black, that one's semi-gloss. So our plan was to do the frame flat black, because it kind of looks cool, I think. Back here. And then the suspension stuff that was hanging down, gloss black. But we ended up with a can that we thought was flat black, and it was semi-gloss. So that took the wind out of our sails yesterday. And we had to go buy more paint that was flat. We'll have to repaint that. Hopefully that the flat black will cover up the semi-gloss and not have the semi-gloss shine through. But that's, we get the rear end painted, leaf springs painted, the frame, we're getting there. It's almost all painted. Peyton wants to paint those motor mounts bright orange, Chevy orange, for who knows why. But we're about done with the frame, which has been a long, painful process. That's it. Throw this together and throw it up on the internet so you guys can see where we're at.